In this video, I will show you how to create Rico animation kinds of video with your smartphone. I will be using Flipaclip app for this tutorial. Please, I encourage you to watch this video to the end because I will show you how to get the Rico cartoon app I used to create this video. Now let's start immediately. So click on that plus icon, then name your project. Okay, so I'm going to name this project Rico Cartoon Body Builder. Click on done. Then we are going to import our canvas and our background. So click on that icon over there to import your background. So I have already designed a background. Okay, so I'll click on it to import the background. Look at it here. Wow, this background looks so beautiful. So I'm going to mark it and then import it into our project. Okay, so I'll click on that icon over there to import it. Then I'm going to set up the canvas size. So this video is for YouTube, so I'll select YouTube 1080p because that's the normal landscape video for YouTube videos. Okay, then click on create project. So now let's start immediately. So we have to import our characters. Okay, but before we do that, click on that layer panel over here because this animation we are going to do now, it involves two layers. So click on that layer panel over here, then we have to rename the first one and then we have to add a new layer. Okay, so I'll click on that layer one. I'm going to rename the name to characters because that is the layer we are going to add our characters. Okay, so I'm going to name it characters. Then I'll click on that plus icon over here. I'll first of all, I'm going to import my character image. Okay, so I've already designed the Rico character we'll be using for this project. There is a free app on my phone that allows me to design Rico characters before I use them for animation. So I have a tutorial on how to use that app to create Rico characters. So I recommend you to watch this video to the end. I will show you how to create Rico character very easily. So moving on, so at this point we have to go back to the layer panel and then we have to click on that plus icon. Then we have to rename that second one. Let's rename the name. Then I'll now call it object. I hope you're following along with me. So at this point now we have to click on the plus icon. Then we have to import the weight the character is lifting. You see that this weight now they apply squash and stretch because the weight of the weight is pulling on this character finger, so there is a squash. Okay, so click on that plus icon, but I need to establish this animation because this animation is straight ahead animation. So I'm going to click on that plus icon and I will now clone the animation. Let's say I'll clone it to like 4 times. Then on the 5th one I'm going to click on that plus icon and add a new layer. So in this new layer icon now I'm going to import a new character pose. Okay, I've already do the pose to pose of this character, so I'm going to import the pose that the character hand have moved up. Okay, so all these frames I designed them through that app. It is very easy for me to design on that app. So if you want to learn how to design Rico character, I recommend you watch this video to the end. I will show you how to use Rico cartoons app to design Rico characters. So at this point I'm going to import the weight for this pose. So this pose now indicates where the object is moving up because it is obvious that this character push the object to the air as part of his weight lifting. So as you can observe now, the weight have moved up than the previous frame. Okay. So at this point we're going to click on add new layer because I want to add a new character image. So by the time I click on it, then I'm going to click on add image. So I'll add a new pose. Okay, you see that pose, that effect pose on frame 1, that is what we are going to add here. We're going to add the pose on frame 1 here so that by the time we import this our character, you will see the way it will look. plus icon, then I'm going to add my character image. You see this new image that we added, that the hand was moved up. So this character now, first of all, I'll click on that layer panel, then I'm going to add the weight. So the kind of weight we'll add now will indicate that it's an anticipation that the weight is now moving up, because this character throw it up to the air. So any frame, any object that we add now, we are going to move it up. In that way, it will match with the movement of the character hand. So whenever you are animating, always take notes. Whenever you are animating, always take notes. Your animation should have follow through. Okay, as the hand is moving up, so the weight is also moving up along with it. I hope you are following along with me. I have a well-detailed tutorial that will explain to you everything in details, how to create your own Rico cartoon videos. So if you want to join my animation class, watch this video to the end. I will show you how to join my animation class, and you will be able to have access to all my tutorial class videos. So moving on with the tutorial. So at this point, you will see that the image I'm adding now is moving along with the character hand, and that is what we need in order for us to achieve a smooth animation. So I believe that if you join my animation class, you will be able to know when to apply swatch and stretch and when to apply anticipation during animation. Okay, you'll be able to know exact pose that you need and exact pose you need to design with that app, okay, in order to make your character look more appealing. I hope you understand. Yeah, although there are easier ways to make this kind of animation, which is cycle animation. I'll talk about it before the end of this video, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, so at this point, we are gradually moving the object up towards the character, like, because the character applied the force, so we are trying to exert the force on this character. So at this point now, you will see that the object we have moved it up the screen, but at this frame we are going to delete it. Then we are going to add a new object. The object that I will add now is going to be coming down right now. Okay, this animation is frame by frame because it's Flipaclip, but if it is laptop animation, it's going to be boning, which makes animation very easy. So you see that this object now, I'm gradually going to bring it down towards the hand. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to fast forward some things, but if you want to learn more, yes, you can reach out to me. I will teach you how to animate privately. Okay, so at this point, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on clone last frame, then I'm going to clone this last frame like maybe 1 times, and then at this point I'm going to also click on that body of the character and delete it. I'm going to add a new pose now. So this pose will indicate that the character is about to catch this weight as it is coming down towards his hand. So you will see that I'm going to change the weight on now. So I'll select the weight, I'll delete it, then I'll add a new weight, and this weight I'm going to add now will indicate that the weight is coming down gradually to the character, so that the character can throw it up again to the sky. So I'm going to click on add new frame now, and then this frame now is going to be the last pose. Okay, it's going to be the last pose that I'm going to do. So, and it's almost the same thing because the hand have already moved down. So as the hand moved down, then I'll also add object to it, and this object now also coming down to the character's hand. So by the end of this hand now, you will achieve a complete animation. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to add the last pose. So this now I've added the last pose. So at this point, I'm going to move the weight down towards the hand, and this is the end frame. Okay, this is the end frame. So let's play the video and see. You see the way the character was able to throw the weight up and then was able to catch it and throw it up again. So at this point, we have finished the animation, but if you want to add audio, then click on that music icon to add audio. But I don't want this video to be too long, so I will skip that part. So click on that three dot, and then I'm going to click on make movie in order for me to export this video. You see that this my Flipaclip is a premium version. They are not showing the watermark. So this app is available for my students. Those that want to join my animation class, they will get this app as a gift for their phone animation class. So click on make movie so that we can export the video now. as you can see, the video is already exporting. So by the time the video finish exporting, you can now share your video to your social media, YouTube, TikTok and Facebook. So guys, you see the way this animation happened. It means that we added all the frame properly. I hope you can see the way the weight is being thrown up and then come back to the sky. So by the way, if you want to get this Rico cartoon app that I used to design this Rico character, then I recommend you check the link in the description of this video. From the link you will be able to join my animation class, and I'll send this Rico cartoon app to you as a gift for your animation class. Okay, and don't forget that I have animation class where I'll teach you everything about cartoon animation. I teach my students step by step how to animate with your phone or your laptop. So if you want to join the class, then click the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me so that I will give you access to the animation course, and from there we will start the class together. And if you want to continue learning about Rico animation, then click the description of this video to select the playlist, and then you can watch more of my Rico cartoon animation tutorial. I have over 20 videos on my Rico tutorial playlist. So click the link and then continue watching.